here you see good formation flying by the two L-39s. Let me tell you a little bit about the pilots flying. 49-year-old Gianfranco. He has a United Kingdom and South African airline transport pilot's license. He's flown over 30 types of aircraft, including the DC-3. He's got a commercial pilot's license on helicopters. He learned former flying with Red Arrows instructors in Durban in 2006. He flies the Yak-52 team, solo L-39 and team L-39 displays. Charles Urban, 41 years old, a very, very wealthy South African businessman, self-employed, 70th display today, started flying 1987, commercial pilot's license with instructor's rating. He's been flying formation since 2006 on the P166 Albatross, the L-39 Albatross, the Yak-52, solo displays and the Yak-55, L-39, Yak-52. He took part in the Advanced World Aerobatics as a South African team member, 2010 SA Colors in aerobatics. And here you see beautiful formation flying by these two civilian jets, flying to the music of Top Gun. Listening into the voice of the leader of the team. These are two really smoke on, very pleasant guys. The smoke that you see there is very, very expensive smoke oil that is pumped across the exhaust system of the aircraft. So let me tell you a little bit about the L-39 aircraft. See, there's no stand, so the L-39C from country of origin is Czechoslovakia. It's a two-seat advanced trainer and white strike aircraft. And rolling right, go. Right, folks, please remain on. And the L-39C from country of origin is Czechoslovakia. It's a two-seat advanced trainer and light strike aircraft. And rolling right, go. Right, folks, please remain calm. Rolling right, go. Right, folks, please remain calm and stay behind the fences. Remain calm and stay behind the fences. Please just... Number 2, go 1235, please, sir. As you've seen, we've had a dreadful accident. What I need you to do now is to just remain behind the fences. If there's any requires a medical attention, please indicate. Here, the response teams are going out immediately. L-39, go 1235, sir.
At about 8 minutes to 10 o'clock this morning here at the Kleksdorp Air Show, thousands of spectators were watching as two L-39 warbirds were being put through their paces by display pilots Charles Urban and Gianfranco Cicogna, when suddenly things went wrong for the number 2 pilot. The crowd witnessed in horror as the aircraft plummeted down to the ground. Sadly, the young pilot, who hails from Italy but lives in South Africa, lost his life. This is Brian Eminis at the Kleksdorp Air Show.